Assalamu alaikum. This is Kazi Rimon in front of you. Those are watching my video at this moment. I hope that all of are doing fantastic, and I am also keeping fabulous by the mercy of Allah. Today I would like to talk about Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country in South Asia. The capital city is Dhaka. Many people live there, make it one of the crowded countries. There are many rivers and green fields. Bangladesh is famous for big rivers and like the Bodda, Meghna, the Jamuna, etc. People grow rice, makes clothes. Bangladesh sells clothes to other countries. There are a big forest called the Sundarbans. Tigers live there. Life can be hard, but Bangladesh can be better, slowly better. Thank you so much for listening me. Thanks again. Next video.